So, for everyone, and especially for people with metabolic dysfunction associated steatotic liver disease, MASLD, it is important to avoid all the sweets, all the foods that are rich in sugars, including fructose. Fructose is the fruit sugar. So we need to try as much as possible to avoid consumption of high sugary foods, high sugary beverages, even fruit juice. However, you can eat fruits in a reasonable amount. Something like 2 to 3 portions of fruit per day are not harmful. It has a lot of antioxidants, vitamins, fiber, so this can be eaten, but not as a fruit juice, because fruit juice contains a lot of sugar and not the fiber, and some of the vitamins are destroyed. Besides sugary foods and beverages, it is good to avoid foods with high content of saturated fat, like high-fat meat, high-fat cheese, sausages. Processed meat is especially unhealthy for the liver. All kinds of sweets that are rich in saturated fat are also not recommended. We should also try to reduce the amount of ultra-processed food that we eat. Ultra-processed food means very highly industrialized food, things that you buy with packed plastics or cans is usually ultra-processed. It has a long list of ingredients, and when you look at the ingredients, you see that many of them you do not recognize. These are not things that you use in your own kitchen. This is how you know this is ultra-processed food. It is usually rich in sugar, saturated fat, and other unhealthy compounds, which may be harmful for your liver. Happily, there are some foods that are good for our liver and can actually help prevent or even recover steatotic liver disease and even more advanced stages of the disease like inflammation and fibrosis. So, first of all, the most recommended diet is the Mediterranean diet. Mediterranean diet is rich in fruit, vegetables, legumes, fish, low-fat dairy products, poultry, and walnuts, which are rich in polyphenols and omega-3 fatty acids that are really healthy for your liver. And the same for olive oil. Olive oil is very healthy for us. On the contrast, Mediterranean diet is low in all the foods that are harmful for the liver. High sugary foods and beverages, red meat, ultra-processed meat, and high fat and highly processed foods. So in fact, the Mediterranean diet pattern is actually perfect for the health of our livers.